Good morning out there, YouTube. So I guess I really shouldn't say it's morning because it is, I don't know if you can see. I mean, I guess it's technically morning, but it is 11:46. It's really late. Yes, I've been up for an hour or so, and that is still horribly late for me. I'm typically not a late sleeper at all. I haven't slept late since my teenage years. But since medical issues and everything that I've been going through, I had a period where I wasn't sleeping at all. And now I just am so tired. So I'm trying to listen to my body and say maybe I just need rest. So anyway, I'm in here. I'm trying to kind of wash my face and get myself ready a little bit. We're not going anywhere today. So was going to kind of do a day in the life video, but it is kind of late, so I don't know if it's going to be a full day. I'd had a couple of friends ask, so I thought I would try, and we'll see how that goes. If you've noticed, my videos kind of dropped off and they're kind of weird, spaced out differently than before. I had kind of actually, wow, this is me in the reel. Anyway, I had kind of considered not doing videos anymore and even taking my channel down. My daughter, my oldest daughter, she is not my birth daughter, but we have had issues with her birth mother, and I kind of feel exposed being out there on YouTube. I don't know if any of you feel that way. So, I don't know, I had considered just taking my channel down because it does make you feel really exposed. So, but I don't know, I mean, I enjoy watching the people I subscribe to, and I hope my subscribers enjoy watching me, so I'm kind of undecided. But anyway, gonna try to do a short day in the life since it is morning. I know, this is me in the reel. So, I'm gonna finish washing my face. I bought this at Costco yesterday. It is a Bremen Dark Spot Eraser. I'm getting liver spots, people. So I thought I would try this and see how it works. I don't know if any of you have used it. If so, leave me comments below. So, okay, I'm going to try to get ready. We'll try to not make this video 59 hours. See you in a bit. So I'm trying to get ready and get a little bit of my makeup out here. We're really not going anywhere or doing anything today. So everybody has those bummy days. Probably shouldn't be showing my shirt since it's from my husband's work, but I just have on bummy clothes. I had thought that we would all get ready today and spend the day at one of our subdivision pools, but it is going to storm. So we're not going to do that. So I'm just going to kind of get ready. I don't know about you, but if I have days where I'm like, that's it, I'm not wearing makeup at all today, I end up wishing I would have and feeling really yuck by the end of the day. So I'm going to try to put my dark spot Bremen Dark Spot Eraser on. Maybe it'll erase some years. So this is me trying to finish getting ready. I was going to take this opportunity a little bit to tell you all, I felt kind of guilty because I did go to the store yesterday. Like I said, I went to Costco and I got just a few things, that dark spot remover and our coffee because it's the first of the month. So I got those couple of things. I didn't really do a Costco haul. Again, I was kind of weird and at that place of feeling exposed, but I went last night. I did get groceries. I went to our local grocery store here this time instead of Walmart. I am really depressed. I'm trying to wean myself off Walmart and not go back. I know how some people feel and what they say about Walmart, and I kind of believe it. My son, actually, my oldest son, he has worked there for 3 years, was an excellent worker, got great reviews, several raises. He was doing fairly well, And all of a sudden, a couple months ago, they came in and fired him. We then found out that they fired some of their best workers, and that had been there longer, just like him. And they hired in 10 temporary people at minimum wage. So, I mean, this is just my rant. I know some people may not want to hear it, but it was upsetting. It really put a wrench in his life. And it's aggravating that in this country, I don't know, it's just aggravating. So, my family were kind of boycotting Walmart a little bit, but okay, this is how I'm about ready today. I think I'm about done. I ran my straightener through my hair. Like I said, I just feel yuck if I don't go ahead and try to get ready. I have to have my lips on. I don't know how goofy I look in that camera. See, I can use you as my mirror. My favorite lipstick, Merle Norman. I think I've had this guy for over a year, so that's how much is still left. But, oh, I have a child playing Minecraft, and my husband's outside. Oh, say hi to YouTube.
Why? What?
Wow. Yeah, it's gonna storm. Again.
Look over there.
You gotta love our...
Are you making a YouTube video?
Yeah.
I'm ugly and fat.
Oh dear. We're actually coming downstairs to assess the damage you made with the laundry. Sasha.
Let me tell you one thing. Damn if you do, damn if you don't with my wife.
This is PG, sir. Sasha, potty, go.
Come on.
You need to go potty? Go. Sasha will not go out without mommy. Why do you think? It's because Papa kicks her when mommy's not. Hi, buddy. Okay, so everything looks fairly normal downstairs. Now let's go toward the laundry and see. This is a pet peeve of mine. I know, I'm a control freak. Pantry doors being left open drives me wacko. So, well, everything looks normal in here, except I need to put some stuff away. My washer is slowly drying. Okay, it did spin out. That's the big problem, is the, I thought we had a clothes basket down here, is the washer not spinning out. And I'm starting to also question how well it's washing our clothes. So, okay, turning you off now. So last night when I was grocery shopping, I purchased the stuff to make, it's kind of like a dessert or a salad. I've heard it called like orange fluff or strawberry fluff, or I don't know. I've heard it called several different things. But it has, inside you put cottage cheese, a container of whipped topping or Cool Whip. This one I'm doing the orange Jell-O. So mandarin oranges, some walnuts, and marshmallows. Now if you want to make the strawberry one, you can slice fresh strawberries. You can use strawberry Jell-O and crushed pineapple. You can also put crushed pineapple in with this dessert also. But we're doing the orange because my son likes orange. I'm not for sure if I'm going to put the marshmallows in. We'll see, because my husband doesn't like marshmallows. But this is just kind of a cool dessert for summertime. So we'll get to mixing it up. Also thought I would let you know we will open these up and we will drain the juice off of them. We will not put the juice in with our mixture. And when you open up your Jell-O, you just put the powder. You don't use the water and make actual Jell-O. You just use the package of powder. And here's what it looks like before we mix it up. I've got the cottage cheese, it's in the bottom, the Cool Whip, and then you can just see the powder sprinkled on top. So we will mix all of this up. I did go ahead and put a few marshmallows in there. So. And here it is all done. Takes like 5 minutes. We're going to pop it in the fridge
for at least a couple hours. I think it's one of those things that the longer it sits, the better it tastes. So it's about lunchtime. It's 1:15. We had kind of thought we would do grilled burgers, but I guess we'll shoot for that for supper because it's still raining. I'm catching up on some YouTube videos, just chilling out. The kids are over there in the bonus room playing the Wii. My buddy Sasha and I are just chilling. There's my empty plate. I had a ham sandwich on wheat bread. And these are all my books that I had purchased, thinking I would get caught up on reading. And I'm still on The Red Tent, which is a really good book. I'm about halfway through, so I'm going to read a little bit because it's pouring down rain and there's nothing else we can do. Anyway, I'm just kind of cruising YouTube. I'm watching Beauty Isn't Everything right now. I had found her channel, and I really liked her videos. There's my sweet little Sash. So, we'll catch you later. So, around 4:30 or 5, and this is what we call Bath Sunday.
They don't like Bath Sunday.
No, but he was in the trash,
He likes
and his
to.
face gets all stinky. Juju, did you get a bubble?
Everybody see your pretty face. Juju, the boy.
Shaking.
He's a baby.
His ears really wet.
Yes.
So that's about how we are ending Bath Sunday. We had cheeseburgers and macaroni and cheese. One child is outside playing basketball, and we have another one fearing that... Sasha, are you next for Bath Sunday?
I don't know.
So that's probably how we will end our Sunday. So, see ya.
No.
Juju, are you getting dry?
Hi, buddy.